Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for malware news. Cyber criminals often target popular and reliable services to cause widespread harm to victims, their clients, and the end users. In one such incident, a ransomware group rattled the operations of the data centers belonging to the cloud hosting and IT services company NetGain. NetGain disclosed that it was forced to take a number of its data centers offline following a ransomware attack in November. Meanwhile, a fax company exposed emails and passwords of more than 500,000 customers on the dark web in a breach. New Jersey-based Fax Express lost about 560,000 customers' emails and plain text passwords to Russian hackers. Contact us and make sure that your computers and information are protected. Thanks, and we hope you have a great week.